Okay.
Wait.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Come on. Okay. Thank you.
Keep going. Keep going, Connor. Walk, walk, walk.
Connor,
Connor, keep going. Liam, look at Daddy. Liam. He's scared. Baby.
Daddy.
Here, grab the cup,
It's
Liam.
okay, Connor. Sophie.
I know, but they're all over me.
Get everybody.
There's nothing else.
Susie, quit cringing.
Oh,
Don't be
he's
scared.
just licking it.
Huh? Oh, ya se acabó.
You're good. You get some.
Sorry, I don't have any more, dude.
Don't get mad. Don't get mad at me.
They ate all of it.
Yeah,
This guy's still trying to get some.
These aren't stupid birds. They know the new people have the food.
Te mordió.
You sure, Connor? You get scared?
No, they just started trusting me. Ow!
I
They
have one
kind
on
of
my
claw
head.
into you, but you get used to
Yeah.
it.
Now you know how to do it.
Liam.
I think it. Yeah, it
Ow,
pooped
it
on
bit
me.
me.
Did it poop on you? It's licking me.
It pooped on
Put
me.
your hand out.
Where?
On my head.
Put your hand out. He'll walk.
Where?
Here, hold this.
Oh, yes, he did.
This one ain't. Neither's this.
That's a good play.
I wonder if it's gonna die.
Gosh, a bird pooped on my head.
On my head?
On my head.
That's the risk we take.
What happens if it bites me?
Mami, recoge esa tacita.
Nothing.
It already bit me once. Why are you climbing up me?
Ah.
Oh, they're loud.
Oh,
Oh, my goodness.
I'm carrying you. It's trying to eat my shirt. Ah!
There you go.
It's trying to
Here, let
eat
me
my
get some.
shirt.